you've deployed a new version of the app, something is broken, all of a sudden you are just swarmed with issue reports about, the menu doesn't work properly anymore. Hey everyone, Luke here from SSW, and today I would like to tell you a story. So you have an application out in the wild, it's a great app, it's got a nice, healthy user base, everything's going very, very well. And then one day something happens. Maybe you push out a new build, something breaks, something's offline. Oh no, what happens? Well, hopefully you're using some kick-ass tool like Yak Shaver to make it really, really easy for your end users to tell you when there's something wrong with your site. If you're not, you should. Now, if you are, that's fantastic. You have a whole bunch of users now reporting to you, oh, the menu's broken. I can't use this menu on mobile devices or something like that. So this is really good. You've got a nice engaged user base. They are telling you when something is wrong with your site or, offering ways to improve your product. Great. But on the other hand, if something blows up, you end up with a lot of duplicates in your backlog. Everyone's reporting the same issue. So what does your dev team do? Yeah, they go through those duplicates and they close them all. So that's great for your backlog because you don't want duplicates hanging around, but it's not great for your users because what do they get? They get a sterile email that just says, closed as duplicate. If I was a user and that was the only feedback that I got after taking time out of my day to tell you that something was wrong, I probably wouldn't be incentivized to do that again. So, how can we handle duplicates more intelligently? Well, one easy way is when you are closing a duplicate, you can write a message on that PBI and you can go, we're closing this one as a duplicate. We're actually going to be tracking this work over on this particular issue, so feel free to subscribe to that. You can track the progress there. So that's cool, that's nice and friendly, gives Bob the opportunity to go and subscribe to that and, follow along on the progress. But maybe Bob's a busy guy. He doesn't want to go and subscribe to another issue. He just kind of wants to know when it's fixed. Well, how about when you are finished working on the issue that you've kept, you go through and you notify those people that had created the duplicates in the first place. Obviously, you don't want to do this manually, so automate it. Write yourself a little GitHub action, takes you 5 or 10 minutes, and you can then ping those users and say, hey Bob, thanks very much for reporting. We've fixed this issue. You can see all the details over here, but we're just letting you know. And because Bob was the one that created that, he's immediately going to get a notification. He's going to get a nice friendly message, and hopefully he'll go and test it for you and let you know that it's working. This will really keep your users engaged and proactive about helping you make your product better. So go out there, write yourself an action, and encourage your users to help you make a better product. This has been Luke from SSW, and I'll see you in the next one.